Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7th. Hope you will be fine and hope that you are studying at home, hopefully. And your teacher has brought a new topic for you today. As you are watching on whiteboard, that teacher has written some nouns. Yeah, let's read first, then inshallah I will ask you a question. First of all, grade 7th, I have written a table, chair, lamp, milk, water, butter, pasta, carrot, pea, salt, apple, sugar, tomato, tea, jam, meat, and honey. Okay, my first question is that would you like to make plurals of them? Okay, so let's start making plural of these words that teacher has written on the whiteboard. Okay, will you help me? Very good. Let's start. Okay, very good. You have helped your teacher and we have made the plural of these words. So let's start first. Table has become tables. Chair, chairs. Lamp, lamps. Milk, oops, there is no plural. Water, no. Okay, butter, pasta, no. Carrots, okay. Peas. Salt has no plural. Okay, apples. Sugar, okay. Tomatoes. But why the red color words have no plural? And you made only green colored words plural? Okay, there is a reason behind this. And you will remember this thing that the red color words have no plural, okay, but the green color words have plural. Why? Because this is the rule, okay. There is no butters, pastas, salts, milks, waters, sugars, teas, jams, meats, honeys, because they are always come singular, okay. If you want to show that they are plural, so they will remain singular in the plural form, okay. So let's start that. Okay, one more thing, that these green color words have plural and we can show their quantity also. For example, like this, you can show that there are 2 tables in the room, 7 chairs in the room, and there are 3 lamps in dining room. 4 carrots are in my hand, 2 peas are here, 8 apples are in the basket, and 3 tomatoes are using in the kitchen. But notice this thing, that we can't say that we have 2 milk. नहीं बोलते ना, हम क्वांटिटी इन चीज़ों में शो नहीं कर सकते कि मेरे पास 2 मिल्क हैं, 3 वाटर है, 7 बटर हैं, 2 pastas हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता. So keep this thing in your mind that these words have plural and we can show their quantity also. But these words with the red color have no plural and we can't show their quantity, okay. So why we are differentiate them? Because our topic is today, we have topic countable and uncountable nouns. ऐसे नाउन्स जो काउंट किए जा सकें और ऐसे नाउन जो काउंट ना किए जा सकते हों, उनके दरमियान डिफ्रेंशिएट करना और ये जानना कि किस तरह से हम जान सकते हैं कि कौन सा नाउन काउंटेबल है और कौन सा अनकाउंटेबल. As students, you are watching that some singular common noun and some plural common nouns, and you are watching that इनमें से कुछ तो हैं जो plural बन चुके हैं but कुछ same भी हैं, okay. As first is witch, witches, horse, horses, candy, candies, loaf, loaves, man, mans. Okay, in the last you can see that deer, deer, sheep is sheep, and news is news. Okay students, this is also a worksheet for you that we have known about countable and uncountable nouns. So these are the countable and these are uncountable, okay. As you're watching that, the milk is uncountable: flour, salt, sugar, jam, meat, rice, honey, tea and cheese. But to olive, fries, burgers, hot dogs, apples, carrots, tomatoes and watermelons are countable because they have plural and we can show their quantity also. Grade 7th, I have made a worksheet for you. This is a home task. Okay, you will make this worksheet on your neat notebook and then you will make two baskets as your teacher has done this for you, and I have written a lot of words around them. Then you will select the correct word and drag into the correct basket. For example, book. Okay, so if you know that book is countable or uncountable, so you will select and you will, yes, you will make the correct basket chooser. Clear? So you will drag in the correct basket, then you will take a pic and send it to your teacher. Okay, grade 7th, you have a second home task on page number 6, that in the second strip here is written write 5 collective. So collective you will skip. Countable and uncountable noun each in your notebook and use them in your sentences. I have skipped the collective because this is not our topic today, but we have the topic countable and uncountable nouns. So you will have to search countable and uncountable noun 5. Then you will write in your neat notebook and use them in your sentences and take a pic, send to your teacher as a homework. Okay, grade 7th, as you are watching that I am on unit number 4, Poetry of Nature. So you have third home task. This is very little and easy and interesting for you as that you are watching. We have 2 pages here, 26 and 27. So you have to highlight with the yellow highlighter all the countable nouns from these 2 pages, and inshallah you will enjoy this activity. Okay, so I'm repeating your home task that you will highlight with yellow highlighter all countable nouns from these 2 pages, 26 and 27, and send it to me kindly because your home task is very important for me. Okay, with this inshallah I will meet you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.